The courtroom rises as Judge Vanderby enters with authority. Case number JVB 1041, the Williams case. The judge invites everyone to be seated, and a quiet tension settles. Today, it's a battle of lifestyles, priorities, and two parents who both say they're doing their best, but tell entirely different stories.
All rise. Judge Vanderby Court is now in session. Judge, this is case number JVB 1041, Williams case.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You all may be seated. Okay, Mrs. Williams, you brought this case before the court. What's going on?
Yes, ma'am. We have 3 children together. I have not received any child support from him. Our children go to private school, they play sports.
Mrs. Williams begins. She explains that they share 3 children. They attend private school, take dance, sports, singing, activities that cost thousands. She says she shoulders almost all the expenses while receiving no financial help. She's an attorney, but even she says the costs have consumed her life so much that she can't afford her nails, her hair, or the lifestyle she once enjoyed.
Dance lessons, singing lessons, they're very active and it's very expensive. We do share custody and time, but I pay for private school. He pays for health insurance, and that's all. I pay for everything else.
What kind of money you make to be paying all of that?
I'm an attorney.
Oh, okay.
But I'm used to a certain lifestyle. I mean, I can't even afford to get my nails done, my hair done. It's embarrassing.
You're an
I'm
attorney,
yes,
and
ma'am.
you can afford tuition, but not to get your nails done.
Because all my money's going to the tuition and all of their extracurricular activities. I've been sacrificing the things that I'm used to that I was able to do before when we were still together.
The judge raises an eyebrow. An attorney who can pay for private school but not her own grooming? The explanation doesn't land well. Mrs. Williams insists the combined income they once shared is gone, and now everything falls on her shoulders. But the judge remains skeptical, noticing cracks in her narrative.
Together, and we have that combined income, and now all my money's going to the kids, and I don't have any money left for the lifestyle that I've been accustomed to, and getting my nails done, and my hair, and massages, and things like that.
It's still not making sense to me, but okay. Is that all you wanted to let me know before I move over to him?
Yes.
Okay. Mr. Williams,
Mr. Williams steps up and immediately changes the tone. He claims she lives extravagantly, weekly spa visits, a personal chef, a maid. Then he adds something heavier, a drinking issue with routine liquor store pickups. The courtroom shifts. The judge demands clarity. Mrs. Williams admits to enjoying cocktails. The truth starts to surface.
Makes sense.
You know, although she makes more money, she has an extravagant lifestyle. The hair, the nails, the massage. You know, she didn't tell you about the personal chef or the maid that she has come clean the house every week.
So now it's making sense, okay.
And let alone the drinking problem that you have.
Drinking
The
problem.
weekly stops to the liquor store to have a curbside pickup. Come on now.
He's telling the truth, isn't he?
Well, you know, after being in court
That
all
wasn't my
day-
question. He's telling the
Now the judge circles back. So Mrs. Williams brought this child support case. But when she reveals she makes $200,000 a year, $100,000 more than the father, the judge presses harder. Mr. Williams pays for health insurance, a major cost. The judge sees a contradiction building right in front of her.
truth, isn't he?
I do like to have a cocktail now and then.
So the answer is yes.
Yes.
Okay, so now we're getting somewhere about, and you brought him to court
Yes.
for child support.
Yes, ma'am.
How much money do you make?
$70,000 a year. I make $100,000 less than she does.
But again, I pay for pretty much everything. The only thing he pays for the kids is the health insurance. I pay for everything.
Health insurance is pretty important. You'd agree with me, right?
It is, and
Mrs. Williams claims she can't afford her kid's lifestyle alone, but the judge calls it out plainly. She can afford it. She's just choosing to prioritize luxuries instead of responsibilities. Nails. The trips. Ecker. A lifestyle she wants to preserve while asking the court for financial help from someone making half her income.
appreciate that. I do. But I don't want to pull my kids from private school or take them out of the things that they love to do because I can't afford it.
Right, and don't say that again because you can afford it. If what he's saying is true, you're getting your nails done, you're going on trips, you're doing all of these other things, especially going to the liquor store. Alcohol is not cheap. You can afford it. You're just choosing to do something other than what you should be doing, which is taking care of these children. Now, how often are you all...
The judge asks about the custody schedule. They split time equally. No parent is carrying the full parenting burden. With a sudden shift in tone, the judge delivers the line that freezes the room. You came in here to waste my time. She makes it clear she will not order a man making $100,000 less to pay child support to someone out earning him significantly.
Assuming you don't live together anymore, right?
Correct.
All right. How often are you all exchanging the children?
We have them equally, so that'll be 2 weekends a month.
Okay. All right. Yeah. You came in here to waste my time. I'm not getting ready to play with you. I am not going to make him pay you child support when you make $100,000 more than he does. You didn't object when he said you make $100,000 more than him, so he's telling the truth, right? Yeah. What kind of...
Instead, the judge explains the offset method. She'll calculate child support for both parents, then subtract one from the other. The parent making more will owe the difference. It becomes clear very quickly who that parent will be.
A lawyer, you? Never mind. So this is what we're going to do. I am going to base child support off of what's called an offset, okay? So I'm going to do the child support calculations for the both of you and subtract it. And the difference is going to go to the person who makes more, which is you, all right? So with 200,000, excuse me, and 70,000, is that correct? Okay. So for mom, I have your gross. You actually cap out. So your gross is about $12,325.35. Dad, your gross is
Numbers roll out. Mom's gross income caps at over $12,000 per month. Dad sits under $6,000. Their net incomes fall in line. Health insurance, he pays $100 monthly, but they'll split it moving forward. Then the judge learns they share 3 children, but Mrs. Williams has a 4th child in another home. That detail shifts the calculation again.
$1,833.33, bringing your net to $9,200 for you, $4,664.67 for you. Health insurance, you pay it, how much is it?
It's $100 a month.
Okay, you're going to split that. So $50 for you, $50 for you. Mom, your child support obligation comes down. Well, hold on. How many children? 2 children, right?
We have 3 children between us and 4 total.
3 children, 4 total. Yes. Who has the...
Final totals arrive. After adjusting for multiple children and shared expenses, Mrs. Williams is ordered to pay $153 per month in child support to Mr. Williams. When asked if there are any questions, both parents simply say no. The judge dismisses the case with quiet finality, the tension dissolving as the ruling sinks in.
Other child. Okay. Thank you for telling me that, because that reduces your child support obligation and increases yours. So the difference in adding the health insurance, it comes out to $1,533 per month. And Mrs. Williams, that's what you're going to be ordered to pay to him. Any questions about that?
No, Your Honor.
Okay. Do you have any questions about anything I just said?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Well, if there's nothing further, you all are dismissed.
When income shifts and priorities blur, this court brings clarity, because these children deserve fairness, not excuses.